In today's video guys, I'm about to reveal to you a very cool and amazing strategy you can actually go on to using to make money with CPA marketing even as a beginner. I'm also going to show you a unique platform you can actually use to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of AI tools. If you do like such content, make sure you do go on to smashing the like button to this video, subscribe to the channel, and ensure the notification bell is always turned on all. You could also go on to scrolling through my channel and you'll be able to see some cool and amazing videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income online with CPA marketing. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's jump right into today's video. So first things first, you want to create an account on the CPA marketing platform. And an example of a CPA marketing platform is the CPAGrip right here, which is absolutely very cool and amazing one right now. If you do click on register, you should be brought to a page which looks like this, and you want to just simply provide your basic details by filling out all the fields with these red asterisk signs, as they are actually the required field which you must fill before your account can get created. Once you do that, check these boxes by checking them out right now to actually agree to the terms of service. Once you have agreed to the terms of service, click on register and your account will be created almost immediately. So guys, if you could take a look at this right now, I'm into my account, and how I got right here was by going onto this section, clicking on offer tools and selecting my offers to get right here to this page. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just simply go to selecting offers to any country of my choice, and you can actually do see that these offers are available to the Nigerian demographic. If I want to select offers to another demographic, I can do that, or you want to just simply take note of the platform which we're actually going to be using to drive traffic to our CPA marketing offers today. The platform basically gets most of its traffic from the United States. As you can see right now, 46% of its traffic comes from the United States, which is why it is much more advisable to go on to using a United States offer. So if I head back to CPAGrip, I'm going to filter this country right now to the United States. Once I actually do that right now, I'm just going to go on to filtering my offers based on payout, and I will be able to see some cool high paying offers. Supposing I do select this offer right now, which is for you to go on to claiming a food stamp support, you can actually do see right here that the payout to this offer is about $1.45. And right now it's an email and zip submit offer and also an Apple iOS offer. If you click on the offer, you will be shown more details to that offer, where you can actually do grab hold of a unique affiliate link to promote that offer. So take a look at this right now. This is actually the link to the CPA marketing offer. Once I copy this, I'm actually going to go on to creating a simple landing page for this using this particular website called the Google site, otherwise known as the site.google.com. Once you do head onto this platform, click on this plus icon, and if you do click on this plus icon, this page is actually going to go on to loading up. So what I'm actually going to do right now is to actually put in more details about the CPA marketing offer. So if I head back to CPAGrip and actually do copy the CPAGrip title, I'm going to head back to my landing page right here, and I'm just going to go on to paste in that title right in here. So once I do paste in the title, you can see how it looks like. I'm going to stretch this to this end and also this other section to this end. And once that has actually been stretched, I'm going to change the background image by clicking on select. And once I do that right now, this page is going to come up. I'm going to go into the search section and search for something related to food. So if I do come right here and actually do search for food right now, you'll be able to see search results related to that. So right now I'm just going to go into selecting one of this image. If I do select this one and I do click on select, you can see the image has actually been selected. What you want to do next is to actually add in a text box, and that text box here, I want to just simply type in something similar to this. So if I do type in something like this, which says the first 50 people can enter this giveaway, hurry, only 10 entries left. This actually instills into my lead a sense of a limiting factor right here, that this particular offer is actually limited. So they're actually going to go on to rushing to do this particular stuff and complete this offer. Next, you also want to go on to add in a text box, and I'm just going to put in something like claim now. So once I do type in something like this, I'm going to go on to making that particular text bold. If I make that bold, I'm going to increase the font size to something like 24 or 18. I can leave that on 18, or maybe let me just take that to 24. Once I do that, I'm going to just simply go on to centralizing this. And once this has been centralized, I can click on this link icon and go on to adding a link to that text. So I'm going to copy the link to my CPA marketing offer, head back to that platform and actually do paste that in right here. Once you do paste that, click on apply. As you can see, this has actually been done right now. Next, you want to click on publish, and if you do click on publish, you want to select a domain which you want to use right now. You keep on trying till you actually do get a domain that you actually is not in use right now. So once you do that, click on publish and your landing page will actually be published. So once your landing page has actually been published, come right here, click on this link icon, and you want to copy the link right here to drive traffic to that. And we're actually going to be using this particular website called the truesweepstake.com. This is actually an amazing platform you could use to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. As if you do see right here, based on similar web statistics, this website gets most of its traffic from the United States. And if you do go on to scrolling through to the top, you can see that it gets about 40,000 visits in the last 90 days. Or I'm sorry, 28 days right now. So this is quite cool right here. You could use this traffic to actually get traffic to your leads, to your CPA marketing offer. So all you actually have to do is that when you come to this platform, you'll be able to see a sign up option right here in this section, or join icon. Click on that and provide your basic details to sign up to this platform. Once you do that, you can actually do see a lot of sweepstake offers right here for PS5, Xbox, and some other cool sweepstake offers. So to actually add yours to this, you want to come right here and you want to click on submit. So if you do click on submit right now, guys, as you can see, it's going to bring you to this page. What you want to do is to paste in details to your offer. I'm going to just simply copy the title to this offer right now and actually head back to that platform. I'm going to paste that as the title, and the link right now to this is going to be the link to our landing page. So if I copy the link, head back to that platform, paste in that right here. For the price value, you want to put in a price right there, such as maybe, let me say, $100 right now. The category is going to be the food and drink. For the end date, you want to fix in something. Maybe I want to just simply run this for a month. I'm just going to fix in a date right now. You want to select the eligibility, which is the United States, and for this particular section, you could exclude sections which you don't want to promote that offer to. You could see right here the entry method. You want to select that right now. Maybe you could select any one of these right here, or just simply go on to signing up for all of them right now. So once you do select that, the entry limit, you can actually do put in a limit if you want that daily limit or weekly limit or others. So I'm just going to select one of them right now. For the company name, you can fix that in. The price description, you want to just simply drop a simple call to action or description for that particular CPA marketing offer, and once you are done, you could actually go on to selecting a photo. So you could make sure you actually head back to CPAGrip, download this photo, and actually do go on to using that right there. Or you could download another photo that is actually eye-catchy and use that for this section. Once you are done, click on submit sweepstake, and your CPA marketing offer will be promoted on this platform. So the cool thing about this is that if you actually do go on to Google and search for the site, like, you can actually do see this website right here. Click on that right now, and once you do click on that, it's going to load up and bring you to a page such as this. I'm going to head back to this particular platform, which is called truesweepstake.com, and I'm just going to copy the domain to that particular platform. Once I copy that, head back to this section and actually paste that in right here and click on search. So this particular platform called SiteLike is actually going to help me come up with some cool alternative to this True Sweepstake website, and those alternatives right there are actually platforms you can actually do go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers. Take a look at this right now. It actually came up with alternatives to the truesweepstake.com, about 73 alternatives right here. You can see the first one is the sweetgrab.com. The second right here is the giveaway frenzy. You can also see the winner sweepstakes and a lot more other platforms right now. So there are about 73 right here. Just simply use each and every one of these platforms to actually go on to driving traffic to your CPA marketing offer and making money online. And I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.